Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can disable trending search queries in Google Chrome on your Android. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes below the video and write your comments after watching. So, friends, let us get down to this topic with you. And first of all, please open Google Chrome. Next, you will need to type google.com into the search box. And then, when you get to Google, click on your image on the top right-hand side. Next, friends, scroll down and select Advanced Settings. Wait for everything to load. Next, switch to Other Settings. In Other Settings, you'll need to scroll down to the very bottom. And here you can see the option to auto-complete these search queries. In order to turn it off, you'll just need to move this button. So you'll immediately turn that option off. This is the quick and easy way, friends, you can easily disable trending search queries in Google Chrome on your Android. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Don't forget to put your likes and also write comments and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.